Hey guys, Timey Girl 7, your rockin' blue-haired mermaid, and I'm here today with something a little different. Normally when I do my unboxings, there are subscription services and that sort of thing. But this, it's a deal. It's a steal. And I have to share with you what I received, what I purchased, and how much I got it for. It's Tarte. So let's see what I got and how much it costs, okay? You ready? This is why I choose between beauty that works and beauty that's healthy. Rethink natural. I like that. It's 7 items. You got your entire face. Everything you need to do your makeup. You were able to choose from multiple items for multiple areas. And I just found out today that they do this once a year, and I was able to grab it for $63. So item number 1, a Flamingo bag. Item number 2, Shape Tape foundation. Now, I've been using Shape Tape concealer for a while now, and I love it. But the Shape Tape foundation, I've never tried. The third item is the Rainforest of the Sea Radiance Drops, because I was dying to try the drops. And the funny thing is, if you've watched my videos this week, you know I received some drops this week. And I'm actually using them right now, right here. Next, the Tarte High Performance Naturals Blush and Glow. Look how beautiful that is. That compact alone is like, hi, I'm pretty. It's got blush and highlighter in it. And a mirror. Hi. It is. That's freaky. Look at that. I stretched it because that makes it 8 items, right? Item number 5 of the $63 box is Tarte Clay Pot Amazonian Clay Waterproof Eyeliner. Take a wild guess what color I got. Check that out. I mean, I couldn't help myself. I had to go with a little bit of a brighter color. I have the perfect song to sing while wearing it. So look for that later this week. Item number 6 is Light Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. That was a special edition version of it. It's all sparkly, look at that. It's so pretty, it has a star on it and everything. I've never used any of these products, so I'm gonna have fun trying them all out. It has a dark black, that's gonna make them eyes pop, you know? I am going to show you what I look like with just these items on my face. I may throw on the Shape Tape concealer because I just can't help myself. Lastly, we have the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Lipstick in the color High Dive. There is the box. This is the lipstick. These are all full-size items. 7 of them for $63. And there is my lipstick. You guys know these are my color. And it's funny because we know that I just got a subscription box that did have a similar lipstick. And there we go. That is what High Dive looks like. I received samples of Rainforest of the Sea lipstick, Tarte Skincare Maracuja Sea Brightener, Tarte Skincare Drink of Water. So I will be putting a picture right about here or here, showing you all of these. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little peek into my unboxing of my fantastic, amazing deal that I got from Tarte. $63, they do it once a year. So you want to get on their mailing list because that's how I found out about it. They email you and they let you know when the deal is, and it's a very short period of time that they do it for, and then it's gone. And it's not back until next year. So if you like Tarte Cosmetics, be sure, get on their mailing list to check out their product. And I have included some links below for both all of the items that are here listed on Amazon, and I've also included the Tarte link. I hope that you guys have a mermazing day, and I look forward to seeing you again real soon. Bye for now. Rock on, my wild ones. Rock on.